Hey guys, today I'm showing you how I make the most delicious pan-fried pork chops. These are never dry and have so much flavor. Start by rinsing and drying the meat. These are the seasonings I use. Cover each piece generously. Make sure to flip and do the same on the other side. I like to use my hands just to rub in the seasoning. If you want a flavorful pork chop, make sure they're seasoned just like this. Let these sit in the seasoning for at least 2 hours in the fridge. Add some oil to a pan on medium heat and fry the pork chops. If you have bigger pork chops, don't skip this step. Once they're done, set them aside. I have about half an onion here that I've sliced, and I'm cooking them in the same pan. You just want to let them cook until they get soft. I also added a teaspoon of minced garlic, and I added 1/4 cup of chicken broth. Add the pork chops back to the pan. Cover the meat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. The flavor is amazing. So juicy. The onions and the garlic really complement the pork well. It just melts in your mouth. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for watching.